like to think about sounds in different ways. I like to explore what they could possibly look like. I've been interested in working across mediums for a long time. So I use drawing, animation, sometimes performance to find different ways to respond to and articulate sonic expressions. My starting point for this residency is to try and really understand the works in terms of their concepts and their context, and then use that as a starting point for my own process and works. So it's like trying to find seeds of ideas or influence that resonate with me in my practice and kind of carry that forward through the process of developing the performances during the residency. I use different mediums and I collaborate with other practitioners to find ways to explore and express the sonorous qualities of these non-human creatures that often feature as part of my work. So this is a way to sort of combine the senses so that we can find different ways to tune in to and relate to these others. For me, it's another area of trying to find ways to build a kind of language, and sound and moving image share the space of time.